I just had to let you know you're
Oke, kelas. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. Good morning. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. I hope all of you doing well and ready to learn today. Before we start our lesson, let's pray together according to our belief. So our lesson today will run well. Pray, begin. Pray, please. Okay, now let's check. Is everyone here today? Who's absent today? Okay, before we continue to the next activity, I want you to sing a national song in Mandiri. Could you please come here to help me lead your friend to sing a national song? Okay, everyone, please stand up. We will sing Indonesia Raya together. Okay, are you ready, class? Yes. Okay, start from 3, 2, 1. Indonesia tanah airku, kampung halamanku. Di sanalah aku berdiri, jadi pandu ibu. Indonesia kebangsaanku, bangsa dan tanah airku. Marilah kita bersatu, Indonesia bersatu. Hiduplah tanahku, hiduplah negeriku, bangsaku, rakyatku semuanya. Bangunlah jiwanya, bangunlah badannya untuk Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Thank you. Please back to the seat. Okay, class, before we start, I would like to review what we learned. I would like to review what the material last week is. Anyone still remember what is material last week? Okay, could you tell us about narrative text? Please raise your hand. Okay,
and be like legends, themselves, how to travel, to identify the problem, solution, and how to fix.
Okay, very good. Give applause to Bunda. Class, so today we are going to learn an interesting topic in English. The topic is expressing opinion, specifically in asking and giving opinion. But before we start, I would like to ask you some questions. So the first question is, what do you bring a smartphone to school? Who's bring a smartphone to school? Okay, many of you bring a smartphone to school. Okay, for the next question, do you think smartphone helps students learn better? Yes. Good. For the last question, should students use smartphone in their classroom? Why? Anyone want to answer? Please raise your hand.
Can you repeat the question, ma'am?
Should students use smartphone in classroom?
I think it depends on the teacher giving the instruction to using their phone or not.
Okay, very good. Give applause to Afan. Okay, class, so why is this important? So it's important to share ideas and thoughts, to participate in discussions, to solve problems together, to respect different perspectives, and to communicate effectively. Okay? So what is an opinion? An opinion is a personal belief, feeling, or judgment about something. Opinions may be different from one person to another because they are based on individual experiences, knowledge, and perspective. Jadi class? Yes. Okay, very good. There are examples of opinion. The example like, I think online learning is effective. And in my opinion, English is an important subject. And then I believe smartphone can help students learn. Some expression like I think, in my opinion, and I believe. This expression show us that we are expressing our personal opinion. Get it, class? Yes. Okay, very good. Now, let's learn how to ask for opinion. We ask for opinion when we want to know what other people think or feel about a topic. Some common expressions are, what do you think about blah 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 blah, and what is your opinion about blah 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 blah, and how do you feel about it? Okay. For example, okay, class. For example, like, what do you think about online learning? This question invites someone to share their opinion. Get it, class? Yes. Okay, now, can anyone create another example of asking for opinion? Anyone, please? try to raise your hand.
Right.
Okay, apa?
I think breakfast is good to start our daily morning.
Okay, very good. Give applause to Apa. Giving opinion. After we ask for opinion, we need to know how to give one. Giving an opinion means expressing our thoughts or belief about something. Some common expressions are I think, in my opinion, I believe, and then personally I think. Okay, for example, like okay, class. For example, like I'm sorry. Okay, for example, like I think online learning is effective because it is flexible. Notice that we usually provide a reason to support our opinion. So this makes our opinion clear and stronger. Get it, class? Yes. Okay. Can anyone get another example of giving opinion? Anyone, please try to raise your hand. Hello, class.
My name.
Okay. Anyone, please? Okay, Dali.
I think Indonesia will qualify to the World Cup because they have the best coaching team.
Okay, very good. Give applause to Dali. Okay, class. After give an opinion, we should respond politely. There are two types of responses: agreeing and disagreeing. The example of agreeing, like I agree with you. That's a good point. And then I think so too. Meanwhile, disagreeing, for example, like I disagree because blah blah blah, and I don't think so. And then I see your point, but blah. Okay, now can anyone give me an example of agreeing? Okay.
That would be great. That would be great.
Okay. Give applause to Next, can anyone give me another example of disagreeing? Anyone, please try to to raise your hand.
Agus want to try man.
Okay, Agus. Please.
No man. Disagreeing Agus, I think you can give your opinion about this. Disagreeing.
Okay. How is all that?
That's not right. That's not right.
Okay, very good. Class, now we move to listening activity. We will practice listening and speaking by learning how to ask and giving opinion. But before we continue, I would like to share your worksheet. This worksheet is for your assignment that you should do it in pairs. Is everyone already have a partner? Yes. Okay, very good. So, you should listen to the conversation carefully. I will play the audio 2 times. After listening, answer the question in activity 2. Okay, are you ready, class? Yes. Okay, I will play the audio.
Activity 1. Listen and understand. Listen to the conversation carefully. Your teacher will play the audio 2 times. After listening, answer the questions in Activity 2. The topic is about, should students use smartphones in school?
Hey Harris, can I ask you, what do you think about using smartphones in classroom?
Hey Lily, I think smartphones are very helpful for learning. We can search for information quickly.
I see your point, but I think smartphones can distract students during a lesson.
That's true when your teachers guide the students. Smartphones can be useful tools.
Yes, maybe they can be helpful if students use them responsibly.
Activity 2. Comprehension questions. Now, please try to answer the questions based on the conversation. Number 1. What are the students discussing? Number 2. What is Lily's opinion about smartphones? Number 3. Why does Harris disagree? Number 4. According to the conversation, how can smartphones be useful in class?
One more time. Please listen carefully, okay?
Activity 1. Listen and understand. Listen to the conversation carefully. Your teacher will play the audio 2 times. After listening, answer the questions in Activity 2. The topic is about, should students use smartphones in school?
Hey Harris, can I ask you, what do you think about using smartphones in classroom?
Hey Lily, I think smartphones are very helpful for learning. We can search for information quickly.
I see your point, but I think smartphones can distract students during a lesson.
That's true when your teachers guide the students. Smartphones can be useful tools.
Yes, maybe they can be helpful if students use them responsibly.
Activity 2, comprehension questions. Now, please try to answer the questions based on the conversation. Number 1, what are the students discussing? Number 2, what is Lily's opinion about smartphones? Number 3, why does Harris disagree? Number 4, according to the conversation, how can smartphones be useful in class?
The class time is over. So before we finish our lesson today, let's review what we learned today. We learned. Our class, thank you for your participation and also your attention, of course. See you in the next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I just had to let you know you're